Canva t-shirt design tutorial, how you can design your t-shirt on Canva. So simply go over to canva.com and at the search bar simply search for t-shirt, and after searching for t-shirt you can either create a blank page and start from the scratch, or also you can use this logos over here, for example this one, and then you can customize them according to your need. For example, I'm gonna delete this one. Let's tap onto this, then let's tap onto replace background. So here you can see you can now customize it according to your need, and then you can just design your very own t-shirt for yourself. You can go to elements and search for various types of designs. So you just have to search them and then you can customize them using your creativity very easily. So you just have to choose them and then simply use them. Okay, so that was pretty much it, and if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.